So let's continue. I hope you have tried this example here. Using the same strategy, convert them to the same base. Okay, 27 and 9. So we cannot convert them to 9 because 27 is not a power of 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, so it will not be 27. So we can convert this to the base 3, right? Okay, because 3 to the third is 27 and 3 squared is 9. So that is our chosen base. Okay, so let's try. 27 is now, we said 3 to the third power is 27. So instead of writing 27, I'm writing 3 to the third, and I will raise that to x plus 1. Now, I have to convert 9 to base 3, and 9 is 3 squared. Okay, and multiply or raise it to the 2x. Okay, so that is your step 1. You have to think of a base that you can convert 27 and 9, okay, into the same base. And now we said in our first example, when you have something like that, you have to multiply. So 3 multiplied by x plus 1, and here is 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 2x. So let's continue. So this will be 3 raised to 3x plus 3. You distribute, should equal 3 raised to 4x. Okay, so for these two to be equal, their exponents need to be the same number. So we will just convert it to 3x plus 3 equals 4x. So it's not an exponential anymore. This is now a linear equation. Okay, so it's easy to solve. So we say 3. I'm going to put 3x on the other side, and it will turn negative. So x is 3. Okay, that is your answer. We have the same answer here. It's just coincidence that they are the same. Then you can always check, okay, by substituting it there. Okay, so you will say is 27 raised to 3 plus 1 equal to 9 raised to 2 times 3, and you will see that they are equal. Use your calculator. 27 raised to the 4th power should equal 9 to the 6th power. Okay, so you will see that they are going to be equal. Okay, next, let's go to the next one here. So let's solve this one. 2 to the 4x and 3 raised to x plus 3. So here, so we're going to convert to the same base. Okay, but 2 and 3 cannot be the same base, right? Because they are not powers of each other. So we cannot make 2 into base 3 or 3 into base 2. So if this happens, then we're going to get our next strategy. Okay, first strategy is convert to the same base. If not possible, then we use logarithm. Okay, that's why I taught you logarithm also. So we have to use logarithm here. Okay, so if you cannot convert them to the same base, you have to use logarithm. So what do? You get the logarithm of this, and it will be equal to the logarithm of this, since these two numbers are equal. So you will write log of 2 raised to 4x is equal to log, let's just use base 10 because it's easy. Okay, log base 10 of 3 raised to x plus 3. Okay, so that is your first step. Use log. Okay, so you will use logarithm because you cannot make them the same base. After that, you're going to expand using the log of a power. So in the log of a power, if you have a power here, you know it goes in front, right? So this whole thing will just go in front here and be multiplied. Okay, so that's the log of a power. That's why you are allowed to put it in front. So that will be 4x multiplied by log base 10 of 2, and that will be parenthesis x plus 3 multiplied with log base 10 of 3. Okay, there you go. Now, log base 10 of 2, you can use your calculator to get the value of log of 2, base 10. And if you use your calculator, you're going to round it off to 0.301. Okay, and this will be x plus 3. What's 10 to what power will give you 3? So use your calculator and you're going to get 0.477 rounded off. Okay, so now these are just decimals, so we will just multiply these two. Let's continue. 4 times 0.301, okay, will be 1.204 x, and this one we have to distribute, so 0.477 x, 0.477 times 3 will be 1.431. Okay, then we add the 2x, we combine the 2 x's. Okay, so this will be, go to the other side and join this one, so that will be 1.204x minus 0.477x. I'm going to move my equal sign there a little bit, 1.431, and then the rest is just arithmetic. Okay, so you subtract this, you're going to get 0.727x is equal to 1.431. Divide both sides by 0.727, and your x will be approximately equal to 1.97. Okay, so that's how you solve your this type of equations. When you cannot convert them to the same base, you have to use the log. Okay, practice this until you are confident that you know these two strategies. Okay, and persevere on this. Okay, I'll see you on the next one.